Hello guys, my name is Akira and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating one of my most popular videos, and that's how you can get an LLC for free. I'm going to be showing you a brand new company that I think is much better and how you can do this for yourself very easily. I'm going to take you through the process and show you how you can get your LLC for free. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, like I said, today's video is about how you can get your LLC for free. First things first, check the link down below. That'll take you directly to the site that I'm using. It's going to be Zen Business, where you can follow me step by step on how you can do your LLC, and you can do it with me while watching this video. So like I said, check the link down below. Let's get into this process and let's show you how you can do this for free. First things first, in order to make this a smooth process, you want to go ahead and get your EIN for free from the IRS website, which you can do that same day, and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to do that. So I'll leave the link down below for the EIN. Once you get that, or if you already have one, now we can go ahead and start the LLC process. Like I said, I will be doing this through Zen Business. All you require is your own information and your business name. Now let me go ahead and take you through the process of how you can file your LLC for free through Zen Business. So now you've clicked on my link and we are at the Zen Business home page. So I'm just going to do Akira D as the business so we can get started, and I can show you step by step how this works. This is their home page, and once you enter your company name, you're just going to hit start now. Now what I love about this is it gives you an explanation and step by step process on how to get your LLC journey started. It just says glad you're here and you're about to do something life-changing. Here's how it works. We'll ask you a few questions and we get your business started. So once you read through everything, you're gonna click yes, I'm ready to start my LLC, and it's almost like a chat conversation or a text conversation between you and Zen Business, and this is how you're gonna get your LLC filed. For state of formation, I am gonna go ahead and do New York and hit send, and you just will put in the state that you are going to be working in that bubble. Next is you're going to enter the county of New York State and what you want the LLC to be in. I'm just going to select Albany County just because it's the first letter of the thing, but that doesn't matter. I'm taking you through the LLC process. Please, and now we're going to check to see if the desired name of the business is available, and it says awesome Akira D appears to be available. And now they'll do a more comprehensive check on formation just to make sure that nobody else out there is using the name for your business, so that you don't have any issues with that. Also, the next question is, do you have any prior experience with running a business? If you're here doing a free LLC for the first time, I'm going to put none, just so it gives you the maximum amount of information and doesn't skip over things that you may not know. Especially, because it's their first time, they're saying thank you for joining us, and then you go from there. So what's this? If you have any questions, you hit what's this, and it'll give you a brief explanation of the question that they're asking. So right now they're asking if they have any employees. For this example, I'm going to choose no. Nice. So solo entrepreneurs are the powerhouse of the economy right now. It's so good for you going out there alone. Will Akira D have a physical location other than your home? For this option, I'm going to choose no, because it's not going to be a brick and mortar business for this example. So from here, I selected working from home. Again, if you don't know or you have any questions about this, it will give you an explanation of what the question is or the term is, and it'll give you a breakdown so you can understand fully. So for this, the launch status, it's just if some people are already doing the thing and what they want to create an LLC for, or if you're just starting a business. So what they're asking here is are you already making money? Are you preparing to launch your business, or you're planning for the future? For this option, I'm going to choose already making money, just so that it gives the most in-depth options so that you guys can follow along for your businesses. For this is also going to be asking, what are your goals for a Kara D? This is why I love Zen Business over other formation services, because they really ask the questions that you need to have answered in order to provide you with the correct services for what you actually need for your business. Because if it's a side hustle, you choose that. If it's a primary income, you choose that. Or the next best thing, or next big thing, meaning that you're not there just yet, but you're planning on something big. For this option, I'm going to choose a side hustle because I think that a lot of people who are starting an LLC is not necessarily their primary income just yet. So I think choosing a side hustle is a good option. Now, this is just explaining to you about what the extra income is. It's a great idea. And they're going to provide you steps after you file your LLC on how you can build it out and where your business could lead to. Finally, they're asking you to pick a category for your business. You would just type out what your business category is. If nothing comes up, you can just describe your business category on your own or put in other if you're not sure how to describe it. For me, I'm going to put content creation because there's not going to be... Oh, they do have content creation. So great. The industry I'm going to be choosing is content creating. Again, if they don't have your industry there, you can put a brief explanation for it, and that will be perfectly fine for your LLC. It says they're proficient in forming content creation businesses, and they've helped them achieve great success. We want to change. Well, let's move it a little fast. So, okay, let's go back here. Alrighty. So they want to help us achieve great success, and this is all we need. So now they're working on the recommendations for what they feel like is going to be the best options for you and your LLC. So this is when they come ahead and recommend services. Again, you can do this for free. There are upgrades that you can add along the way if that's something that's needed for your state or for your business. The state of New York requires all LLCs to announce their business in 2 newspapers in a country where the county where they're formed over 6 consecutive weeks. Let our team handle your required newspaper publications and notarized letters of proof. Now for this, you do not have to do this. Why I'm going to be choosing no, I'll do this on my own, because I want to show you how you can get this 100% for free. And it's just a double check if you're going to do the publishing on your own, and why is this recommended. Now, I've never done this for any of my LLCs, and I've never had any problems for New York, but again, I'm not an expert, but this is something for you to research on your own. So again, to get this for free, I'm going to choose no, I'll do this on my own. And again, there's going to recommend services for you. Again, to get this for free, I'm showing you how to get this for free. If you feel like you need any of these upgraded services, definitely go for it. But I'm showing you how to get this for free. So registered agent is a place where you will receive all your official business. And it's someone who will be present during business hours to receive important legal or government documents. You can always be your own registered agent. It's not a huge deal to be your own registered agent. But again, you can look into this. They also will give you why they recommend using Zen Business as their registered agent. For this, I'm going to choose I'll appoint my own registered agent, which you can appoint yourself, which is not a big deal. And again, they kind of explain to you why most people choose Zen Business as a registered agent. It is $199, and then after that point, it renews for $199 a year. And again, that's completely up to you. And I said, at this point, I'm going to choose yes, I want to appoint someone else in order to keep this as a free LLC. Now, in order to have an EIN, I mentioned to you at the beginning of this video how to get your EIN for free. This here just explains to you what an EIN is, and it's official registration with the IRS, which is needed to identify your business and is required for a host of things as opening business, like business bank accounts or hiring employees. Pretty much your EIN is your social security number for your business. You can get this 100% for free. Do not do this through Zen Business. The link to get your EIN through the IRS website will be in the description, and you can get it same day if you choose the email option once you get your EIN. So do not pay for this service. do not do this. Don't pay for an EIN anywhere because you can get it absolutely free same day, and it takes about 15 minutes to do. So for this option, I'm going to go ahead and say I handle my own documents, and again, get your EIN set up and all that good stuff prior to doing this. I think that's the best way, but it's completely up to you. Now they're going to get you over to the actual packages. So for the starter LLC, that is $0 for filing, and they do offer 3 packages. So the starter again is $0 for filing, but New York State does have a $205 filing fee, which is the state fee. New York is on the higher end, and like I said, there's 20 states that is less than $50 to register an LLC. There's some states like California which charge almost $500. So with this, we're going to go ahead and look at the package details so you guys can see everything that's included with the free version. You'll get the standard LLC filing, and the usual speed of filing takes about 2 to 3 weeks. In my experience, I got mine in about 48 hours. And then, tax deduction and taxing, name search availability, prepare the LLC, phone and email support, online document access, statement organizer, free tax consolation, and a virtual business guide. So those are all the things that come with the free package, which is what I'm showing you how to do. So again, they'll show you the other options for the LLC Pro. Expedited LLC filing, again, I went with the free and got mine within 48 hours. Operating agreement, worry-free compliance, automatic tax tracking, and tax deduction tagging. So if that's something that you're interested in, great. But again, we're showing you how to do this for free. It's going to take you through all of the options just so you're making an educated decision based on what your actual needs are. From here, we are going to go with the starter LLC, which is $0 per month. And again, it's so great. So now they're going to continue to try to upsell you for a few different items like Zen Business Money Pro. It's something that you may be interested in. It's $30 a month. But it is going to help you at the end of the year save a lot of money on your taxes. I did give it a try. I think it's really great, but that's pretty much up to you. And it will, and it explains to you all what you're going to get when you're filing your LLC. Again, for this, I'm going to choose no thanks because we are trying to do this 100% for free. And again, to kind of go through and also offer you expedited or rush filing. I don't know why you would need to rush and file your LLC. I mean, depending on your situation, I don't know a situation in which you would need to rush file. But if you do, 4 to 6 business days is $49, and rush it 1 to 2 business days is $99. Again, I got mine within 48 hours with doing the completely free service. So I think that you should just select no thanks. And up here, I know you'll see that it's $205. Again, that is the state fee, and there's no way around that fee. They're also going to offer you, again, upsells for their online services, domains, for your domain if you're going to get a website, and tons of other things, which you don't need. And again, if you have questions on what an operating agreement is, you just hit what's this, and it tells you exactly what it is. And the operating agreement, it's just your business rules. They state as business constitution. It says out fundamental things about your business, about its purpose and its managers. Again, that's something that you can absolutely handle on your own. So we are going to go ahead and just say no thanks. Now, the annual compliance, again, something that you can handle 100% on your own. The annual compliance is a service to cover your mandatory annual report and amendment filing. They'll work with you on this. Again, this is something that you will get it even if you don't go with their service. They will still email you about it because it's a part of the process within the government that they have to. It's something that they have to do. So you'll get an email about this anyway, and they'll still try to upsell it to you when your compliance is due. You don't have to do it. Compliance you can do on your own. You do have to pay for it. I think for New York State, mine was $39, and it's every 2 years. So it's completely up to you, but I would not pay $199 for this. And again, we're trying to do this LLC for free. So you're going to say, no thanks, I'm going to sort that out myself. And then they're going to give you some more information about taxes. We're going to skip over that because we're here to just file our LLC. So we have my company name is Akira D. The entity type is LLC. The filing jurisdiction is New York. And the county that I chose is Albany. Now you want to make sure that all this information is accurate before you move to the next step. If you need to go back and edit this, it's very simple to do. You see that here. I'm just going to hit cancel because I'm not editing anything. But you want to make sure that your information is accurate. All right, now here we are. We are at the final step of filing for your LLC. That gives you the rundown of everything that you have or have not included. It also will allow you to add anything at the end if you decide that you want to change your mind. From this point, you would continue to the payment and make your payment for your state fees. Again, New York State is $205, and from there you will go ahead and you'll be able to go to their homepage, which will give you updates on your LLC filing, and I'll show you all of that good stuff for my LLC that I filed through Zen Business and what that will look like and what you can look for once your LLC is filed. So guys, this is 100% free outside of your state fees, which is you cannot get those waived anywhere in the United States. So after this point, you would just go ahead and continue to payment. I'm going to blank that out because that's my payment information. And then you go ahead and place your order for your free LLC through Zen Business. So from here, you have your home screen for your LLC on Zen Business. So it gives you options about checking your expenses, getting a business bank account, and applying for a business credit card. Definitely recommend a business credit card because it worked for me. Now, in order to get your LLC, and that's what you're here for, it's very easy. You'll go once it's available. Again, mine took about 48 hours. I can't tell you how long yours is going to take. But you go to your business records, and right there you will have your formation of your LLC. That's my LLC that I filed with them. There's tons of different things that are available. They have business templates and like loan agreement templates and all types of stuff that you can access. But for your LLC, you're going to find that under your business records. And from here, you'll just be able to go ahead and view it, download it, whatever you need to do, save it to your computer, print it out, whatever you prefer. Again, they have so many different options available to you from the home page. And again, if you want to do anything that you skipped over on your LLC, if you want to get a DBA, we said no free EINs all the way, don't pay for one. But it gives tons of options for your LLC. Now, if anything by any chance or any reason you put incorrect information on your LLC, you can go here and go to an amendment. Now, you do have to pay for an amendment. So there is a cost of $100 for that. That's why I stress to make sure that everything is accurate when you're filing for your LLC. So everything here is great. It's very easy, very simple to navigate. And once your information is completed or you receive your LLC once it's filed, Zen Business will send you an email where it will link you back to the site so you can download it through your documents. Super easy process to get your LLC for free. And I enjoy all the follow-up services that a lot of other LLC formation companies do not offer. Trust me, I know I filed LLCs through 2 other services, and I think Zen Business is the best to actually help you with services to follow up in your small business journey without trying to squeeze you for every dime. All right, guys, so I hope that was an easy process of helping you get your LLC filed for free. Now, I do also want to answer any of your questions down below in the comments. So if you have a question, if I can answer it, I definitely will try to. Sometimes it becomes a lot of you guys, so I can't get to every question, but I will try to answer them as much as I can. Let me know what you think about this process and how filing this LLC for free worked for you. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great business content, and I will see you guys in the next one.